Hi, I'm Peter Rawlinson and I'm the CEO of Lucid Motors. And I'm here at the AMP1 factory, our brand new plant in Casa Grande, Arizona. I'm here to check out the latest progress.
Peter, welcome to the AMP1 in Casa Grande.
I'm going to meet with Peter Hochholdinger, our Vice President of Global Manufacturing. So please, come join me. Let's check it out together.
So Peter, here we are in the body shop. The finish line, you can see we have 3 cars on it. The hang-on line in the front. Then here where we finish the bodies and finish the car to perfection. You get the underbody in, you get the shelf in. We're here in Framer 2. You can see the body here moving into the station.
And then they should pick up the body side adders.
Right.
All fixtured off the robot.
Right.
So we don't actually have traditional fixturing station. The robots are the fixtures. They've got to come together simultaneously. And on they go and close off the final marriage of second framing station body side. And this is where the monocoque becomes complete. This is fantastic work, Peter. Next level technology.
Stage number 1, pre-treat and E-coat. We have a body coming up there now. It's already through pre-treat. So in pre-treat, what we do, we take the oil out of the body. There's processed oil and things like that. We take that off, and then we get into our dip tanks here, where we have first the zirconium and then the E-coat system.
It's amazing.
The sealer deck. That's where we close all the holes, all the openings we had in the car, so we can have a good NVH car. And we have, of course, as I said, we have to plug up the process holes that we had for the pre-treat system. And then the car moves into an oven that we can cure the seal, because we don't want to lose any particle of the sealer in our paint booth. Here we have the final result out of the paint shop. What is your favorite color?
You guessed it, it's black.
Oh, we staged it perfectly for you, great. So what we see here when we go through the booth is we have 3 phases of paint we put on the car. It's the primer, it's the base coat that gives us a color, and then it's the clear coat that protects the layer behind it. So we dial that in perfectly with the airflow, the humidity, the temperature, and we get to a perfect result of this paint here.
It looks really good.
Here we are in general assembly. It's a game of parts, and we get all those parts together to the car, and we final assemble that. And what you see here is the marriage station. It's where the pack and the subframes get into the car. We have a very flexible AGV system, and it moves further on. It has some stations in chassis. Then it moves on to final line, where it is completed with doors. Here we are in trim line. This is where everything begins, where we put the wire harness in, we put the air conditioning systems in. This is where the interior of the car starts to grow and to evolve. And here we are at the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed it.
Enjoyed it? I was blown away by it, Peter. It's a fantastic achievement, and it's so exciting because we're getting closer and closer to start of true production. These are just the pre-production cars, ironing out all the quality. I know you're going to build an amazing high-quality car here with all the team in Casa Grande. Big thanks to all in Lucid Manufacturing. And everyone, I hope you enjoyed this insight into our progress. And please come back when we're in production. Take care.